Welcome to your first Pybrick's programming lesson using your LEGO Spike Prime robot. In this lesson, we're going to write a simple program that will make your robot drive forward 10 centimeters and then turn right 90 degrees. This is a great way to start learning how to control your robot step by step using code. Let's begin by opening the Pybrick's IDE in your browser. Make sure your robot is turned on and ready. In the Pybrick's editor, confirm that you have the Bolton Robotic base code customized to match your robot and open. If you don't see it, not to worry, just return to the base code lessons, which will help you get it loaded, customized, and ready to go. In the base code, click on mission_1.py and scroll down toward the bottom where it says, "Your code goes here." There may be some test code below that line, which you can delete. We'll replace it with new code that makes the robot drive straight 10 centimeters and then turn right 90 degrees. Just be careful not to delete the redirect code at the very end of the program. Now let's connect the robot to your computer. In the top left corner of the Pybrick's IDE, click the Bluetooth icon. Carefully select your robot's name from the list and click Pair. Once you're connected, click the Download triangle button in the Pybrick's IDE to send the program to your robot. You should see the number 1 appear on the Spike Prime's display. To run your code, press the center button on the robot. Your robot should now drive forward 10 centimeters and then make a right turn. You've just written and run your very first Pybrick's program. Keep experimenting and have fun learning what your robot can do.